Welcome to visit Changzhou Dome Operations Limited. Follow me and I will show you our factory how to produce type products, cutting and grinding wheels. You can see from the raw material workshop to the ready products warehouse. All the workshops will give you a clear idea about our factory and our products. Here is our factory, Changzhou Dome Operations Manufacturing Limited. Here you can see our office building and workshops. Now let's go. From the raw materials to the finished products, every step of our production process is controlled well and strictly. Let's go to see our different workshops so that you can realize our factory better. Here is the storage area, where raw materials like aluminum oxide, fiberglass, labels, steel rings, and other components are carefully stored. Mixing workshop mix the aluminum oxide, resin, and other materials together to prepare the high-quality performance materials for our cutting disc, grinding disc, and flat disc. Production workshop. In our production workshop, we use air conditioning to control the moisture and temperature stable. The production lines are the most advanced automatic production lines in China, high precision and high efficiency. Heat treatment workshop. All the discs are soft before heat treatment. We will put the discs in the tunnel clean for 24 hours with more than 150 degrees so that the disc with enough strength, hardness, and long life. Quality control. Cutting and grinding test. Appearance tracking. Every day we will make cutting and grinding tests in our test room. We will take at least one piece disc from different brands before packing. Also, our workers will check the appearance of every disc before packing, so that we can deliver to you the high-quality disc with nice appearance. In our packing workshop, we will pack the products as per order requirements. Usually, the products will be with syringe in box and out craft paper cartons. Here is our finished production warehouse, where we put the goods ready and wait for shipment. If you want to realize more information about our factory and products, also you can see our website. And here also give you our contact information. You can contact us by email or by phone. Thank you for following me to visit our factory, and we are looking forward to get your information if you are interested in our products. Don't share with the world.